How to add video in Microsoft Suite. In this video, I'll show you how to add video in Microsoft Suite. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Suite into your browser, sign into your Microsoft account, and then head over into that specific Suite where you want to add a video. So once you have opened that Suite, go ahead and head over into that section or create a section where you want to incorporate the video. Click on it and then go ahead and set this to YouTube or my device. So if you have that specific video on your device, go ahead and set it to my device, and that will take you to your local device drive. So if you have it on YouTube, you can also set it to YouTube, and then use the search bar to look for that specific video that you want to incorporate to your presentation if it is a Sway presentation. So go ahead and look for it, and then once you have found it, simply click on it to be able to add it into your Sway. So go ahead and look for that. So make sure that you enter the correct keyword or the correct title of the YouTube video that you want to incorporate with your Sway. So click on it and then click on the add button at the right side to be able to add it to your canvas. So once we head over into the design tab, you will be able to find that video embedded on our presentation, and that is how you can basically add video in Microsoft Suite. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.